break it down right now for you.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another day in Brooklyn, New York. Come on, Zadie. We're going with my family, going to my parents' house, eat some breakfast, and then Zay, fast, how did fast, like fast, go like Flash, go. He watches Flash, so he likes to go fast. Whoa! Wait for me. You're going too fast. Zaid. Wait for me. My boy Zaid over. Come on. Come on, Zaid.
Come on, Bob.
You see? Who's that?
Baby.
Zadie?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go fast. 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 Look at him looking at the camera. he's riding the scooter and looking at his camera right away. Yeah, you guys, it's kind of okay weather. The weather's not bad. Just stop. Zaid, stop. Stop. When the hand is like this, you stop, right? Yeah. Now it says walk. Go. Just finished praying right now. A little bit early. Going home to see my kids. What's up, man? Yeah, so going home. See, eating lunch too. Nice. Blue machine. Yeah, guys. Finally, I think we're hitting spring. Even though spring was officially March 20th was the first day of spring, but it was cold. So today it started to get a little warm. Hopefully it will just, I mean, you never know. That's the thing. The thing is, I think in past 2 years we've been having snow on April. April we got snow. The reason I have my hat on is my hair are kind of messed up, so I gotta fix them. That's why I have my hat on. And yeah, I'll check you guys later. Tak się powinien nas powinien. Fast! Pa ja ne znam. Go, špej. Easy. Oh, nice break. Hajde.